Our clients hire millions of people across a wide range of industries. Their first step is to put in an order through an integration or directly through Sterling Backcheck Client Hub. The candidate then receives a request for additional information needed for Sterling Backcheck to conduct the screening. This information is entered into Sterling Candidate Hub. Sterling Backcheck gets to work. Every client has different requirements for what needs to be completed. For example, in addition to criminal records, supplementary services can confirm employment and education credentials. But the first step is always verifying identity prior to starting a background search. Our flexible ID verification options confirm the candidate's identity prior to starting their check. Candidates are first offered to verify their identity on their mobile device. If all else fails, candidates can verify their ID in person by visiting one of the participating Canada Post locations. Next, it's time for the criminal record check. We conduct a search of a national criminal record database. Our processes are designed to facilitate compliance with federal and provincial privacy and human rights legislation. It is provided in partnership with numerous Canadian police services and based on information maintained by the Canadian Police Information Centre. In addition to the basic criminal record search, we take it a step further by providing clients with an Enhanced Police Information Check, or EPIC, which includes a search of adult convictions held within the RCMP National Repository, along with local police information, which include most recent convictions not yet entered in the National Repository, and relevant non-conviction information is reported by local police services. Our criminal record searches are typically completed in 4 hours or less. Sterling Backcheck has built an approach to conduct education and employment verification with the best combination of speed and cost for our clients. Combining automation and human outreach, Sterling Backcheck confirms education and employment information provided by the candidate and flags any inaccuracies for our clients to review credentials. Additional optional services, such as social media search, are often added to incorporate an extra layer of protection for a company's culture and brand. By leveraging artificial intelligence, language processing, and image recognition, Sterling Backcheck screens publicly available content for risky behaviors. This approach is compliant and reduces bias in hiring decisions. All of this data capture comes back into the consumer report delivered to our client in a matter of hours or days. Our client reviews the results, addresses any discrepancies, and can move forward with hiring. They now know this candidate is cleared to hire. The candidate is hired and off to work. Sterling. People first. Always.